Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Binder Rings is probably one of the most versatile and essential organizational tools you can have, whether you're a student, an artist, an office worker, or just someone who likes to stay organized. They are incredibly useful for keeping papers, notes, receipts, and other important documents neatly together, and with assorted sizes available, you can find the perfect binder ring for any project or task, large or small. This video will help you choose the best binder rings for your specific needs. Number 5. BAZIC Loose Leaf Binder Rings. It comes in a variety of sizes to perfectly suit your needs. Each pack includes 1 inch, 1 inch, and 2 inch rings for ultimate versatility. Opening and closing it is a breeze. Simply find the seam, gently pull it open, and squeeze to close securely. They're made from strong, nickel-plated steel, ensuring they're rust-proof and built to last. The color won't fade or wear off. Keep your documents, flashcards, or even keys neatly organized. It's perfect for any hole-punched items. The secure latch opens and closes easily, providing extra security. You can trust it to keep your items safe and sound. What we like? It has a variety of sizes to suit your different needs. Opening and closing is effortless, perfect for everyday use. Its sturdy steel construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a reliable choice for various applications. If you need a versatile and durable binder ring set, this is the one for you. What people say. The large ones are great for big, beady necklaces, while the smaller ones for delicate jewelry. They're all now organized by size, length, and type, and I love it. Just kidding, these worked great for what I needed, and we are continuing to use them for other things. These rings work fine and are of decent quality. Number 4. Rose Gold Book Rings Kit. These beautiful rose gold rings are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your crafting projects. They're ideal for scrapbooks, photo albums, or any DIY project that needs a secure and stylish binding. This kit comes with a variety of sizes to suit your needs. You'll find 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch rings, giving you plenty of options for different projects. They're made from high-quality metal, ensuring they'll last. It's strong enough to hold your pages securely, and the rose gold finish adds a touch of sophistication. These rings are simple to use, just open them, add your pages, and close them securely. They're perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. Use them to create custom photo albums, scrapbooks, sketchbooks, or any other project you can imagine. Let your creativity shine with these versatile rings. This kit includes 50 rings in total, giving you plenty to use for multiple projects. You'll have all the sizes you need, ready to go. What we like? This set offers a stylish rose gold finish. You get a range of sizes in one convenient pack. With 50 rings, you'll always have plenty on hand for all your projects. If you're looking for a large quantity of aesthetically pleasing binder rings, this is a great option. What people say. These binder clips are more reliable than any of the other numerous brands I've attempted to use. The mechanism that enables them to open and shut consistently works. Great sturdy rings in a wonderfully modern car. They have been perfect for my macrame planters, as they can now be hung in many places where a hook isn't available, since the hinge opens. The rings are beautiful, and it's great to have a variety of sizes. Number 3. Binder Rings Assorted Sizes 35 PC. These versatile rings are perfect for organizing all your loose leaf papers and more. They're durable, easy to use, and come in a variety of sizes. Made from nickel-plated steel, they're built to last. It's strong and resistant to rust, ensuring years of reliable use. This set includes a range of sizes: 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch rings. You'll always have the perfect size for your project. They are great for loose leaf books, scrapbooks, flashcards, and even key rings. The possibilities are endless. The rings come in a handy storage box, keeping them organized and easy to find. No more searching for the right size. These binder rings will help you get organized and stay that way. Order yours now and experience the convenience. What we like? This pack provides a generous quantity of rings in various sizes. They're made from strong, durable steel, ensuring they can handle heavy-duty use. The variety of sizes makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. If you need a large, durable set with a variety of sizes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Set has various size assortment of rings. The rings are great with all the sizes. I use them for crafts and journals. I will be using the rings to hang my quilting templates, rulers, scissors on hooks, so that I can see them and know where they are at. Number 2. Mr. Pen Binder Rings. These versatile rings are perfect for organizing your loose leaf papers and cards. They're easy to use and built to last. With a variety of sizes included, you'll find the perfect fit for any project. They're ideal for binders, flashcards, and more. Simply pull to open and squeeze to close. It's that simple. These rings are made from strong iron, ensuring they can handle your projects. They are reliable and long-lasting. Use them for loose leaf books, paper cards, key rings, scrapbooking, or any DIY project. The possibilities are endless. Keep your documents and projects neatly organized with these handy binder rings. They are a must-have for any student or creative individual. What we like. This pack includes a large number of rings in a variety of sizes. They are made from strong iron, ensuring durability. The assortment of sizes ensures you'll have the right size for any project. If you need a large quantity of durable rings in various sizes, this is a great option. What people say. So not the typical use for these binder clips, but had a brainstorm and they ended up being perfect. My shower curtain hangs just a touch higher than it should do to where the rod is permanently placed. So I use these clips to extend the length and shower curtain is now perfect, no more wet floor. Been using them for a couple weeks, and so far no failures, none have fallen apart or failed to latch. Like the 3 different sizes where most buying options are for a single size. Gives a little flexibility if the sheets you are putting together are not always the same thickness. These rings that come in various sizes have been great for me to use in binding laminated work instructions together for staff to use. The different sizes work well with instructions that have a few pages to many pages. Number 1. KASEMI Binder Rings. These binder rings are a must-have for organization. They come in a variety of sizes to suit your needs. You'll receive 100 rings in 3 different sizes, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch. This variety ensures you always have the right size on hand. They're made from high-quality metal with a corrosion-resistant finish. This means they're durable and will last a long time. The rings come neatly packaged in a box for easy storage and access. Keeping them organized is simple. Use them for loose-leaf books, memos, scrapbooking, or even as key rings. They're incredibly versatile. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a lifetime warranty with a free exchange guarantee. What we like. This massive set gives you a huge number of rings. They're made of high-quality metal for superior durability. The variety of sizes ensures you'll have the perfect ring for every task. If you need a large, high-quality set with a wide range of sizes, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Great variety and versatile uses for many projects and assignments we needed them for. Great variety of sizes and very sturdy. I used these for my loose leaf textbook and it worked perfectly. These surpassed my expectations. Good variety of sizes. Very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.